This is a beauty tutorial. This is the before. Alright, this is the wig right out of the box. It actually had a T part to begin with, but I've pushed just with my fingers this aside. I got some thing to hold the wig down for a glue replacement, but I used it here instead in this video. And then I used a thick brush, actually a nail brush, to make it look normal again. And now, since I'm bald, I don't need these combs. They're of no use. I use this tool also for cutting the hairline. I cut as close to the hair as I can. And so next I'm going to show you about the hairline. I'm comparing it now to a Eva Gabor wig on the bottom, and you can see how there's a much more of a transition area. This is the Eva Gabor wig. I'll show you that wig in a bit. Now this is the new wig, and here you can see how the hairline is. I'm going to later show the Eva Gabor wig so you can compare. Like the hairline is better, but the hairline is just a closure wig on the Eva Gabor wig. But this one is going to be better. You can see the hairline again here. Now this is the Eva Gabor wig, and I've pinned up to where the end of the lace is. Well, the frontal wig, the new wig, you can see a much better hairline here, whereas this old Eva Gabor wig, it looks nice except for there.